your account was permanently disabled after you submitted your ID, but your last name doesn't match the screen name on your Facebook because it's been changed. Can I help? Now, here's the thing. That's the problem when you have a Facebook page or Facebook profile that doesn't match your ID. You see, it's really important for you to get everything real on Meta nowadays, especially when it comes to running ads or running business and all that. You want to make sure that you have something that you can use to validate. But having said that, if you have problem with the best, like let's say your first name is not the same or the last name is not the same, you can still fight and you can still prove that this is like, for me, Jason Gunn is not my name on my ID, but I can still say that this is my, this is my work name and this is whatever, and I still can get it verified. Usually you can still fight. But here's the thing, when it comes to permanent restriction, there is no way that you can get it back. So to me, my recommendation would be, let's move on and start creating everything from scratch again. Yes, I know it's painful, but having said that, like if it's your page, everything you can still do whatever as the same. But the problem here is you won't be able to use it to run ads. To me, is we want to run ads with like an asset that we can build for the long term. That's why your situation, I'm not sure, Aaron, whether you have an ad account or your Facebook page or whatever. I assume that when you say account, it should be ad account. So when your ad account is restricted, don't bother to try to bring it back anymore. Or even now the question is whether your profile is restricted or not. You see, when it comes to ID verification, it may come back to your profile. So that's something that we need to figure out. So if it's a profile that being restricted, then everything is gone, really gone. I've seen a lot of cases where your profile is gone. You won't be able to create a new page anymore. You won't be able to create an ad account anymore. You won't be able to create a lot of things. So we need to find out what level of restriction you have over there. That you have been permanently restricted from. So yeah, but if it's just the page or the ad account, even it's permanently restricted, you can still create new ad account or new business portfolio to go on. But the problem is if your profile is permanently restricted, you won't be able to do anything anymore. So if you can still do that, let's say if your profile is not permanently restricted, you can try to create a new business portfolio. That's usually what I would recommend my clients to do. Create a new business portfolio from there, and then after that, do everything in a really proper way that establish a good relationship with Meta. So create a new business portfolio, or now, some people still see it as business manager. Create one, and then create a new page in it, create an ad account in it, and then start running ads right away, and kind of really grow this thing in a proper way. And then and over time get it verified and all that to have really a proper management or proper relationship with Meta. Now, on the other hand, if you have your profile being permanently restricted, that's the end of the road. So what I would recommend you to do is to borrow an account from someone. Usually I would say whether it's your partner, your your business partner, your team member, or your parents, your family member, or whatnot. But make sure that your profile that you're borrowing is a profile that has been around for a while. You do not create a new profile and do everything. You may get restricted right away, because that's what Meta flag it as, probably spammy, whatever. So that's what Meta likes to do. So borrow someone else's profile. So use that profile to create a business manager. Follow the steps that I mentioned just now. Create a new business manager, create a page in it, create an ad account in it, and start running ads. And then brew it over there. And for you, if your profile is permanently restricted, you need to create a new profile. Now, when you create a new profile, it doesn't matter whether you have the same name, but make sure that this time around when you create a profile, it has the name that you can actually verify that you have an ID that's matching the name. That's the most important part. So create a profile, okay? And then after that, do something regular, like add some friends, do some posting, join some groups and all that. Brew it for at least 2 to 3 months. All right, brew the profile. So brew it for at least 2 to 3 months, and eventually, when you are more ready, at the same time, the page and the ad account that you borrow from your friend, to manage, it will be also brewing and all that. It will be more matured by then, and you can add your new profile into the business manager as an admin, and thereon you'll be able to manage everything as because you have a new profile now. yeah, moving forward. And when you move over, when you go in as admin, when you manage it, you may get restricted. At one point, they probably will ask for your ID verification. Go through that, and everything will be fine moving forward. Yeah, so that's how we navigate restriction. It's not really rocket science, but it's really something that you have to be patient and you have to do the right thing at the right time. So yeah, that's my recommendation would be. But just in case you need help, if you have some page restriction, profile restriction, ad account restriction, you're not sure where are you and what kind of restriction you have and what can you do to navigate, like what are the things that you can do, what are the steps that you should take on top of whatever that I shared with you, you still have confusion, then you can scan this QR code to book a one-on-one Zoom call with me. What we would do is we would actually, you will share a screen, I would navigate, and we would actually see and really find out what really happened to your account, and we will try to fix it as much as we can. All right. So yeah, scan this QR code, and I look forward to working with you.